In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print all responses in Microsoft Forms. First, make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account in your browser, then head over to Microsoft Forms. On the landing page, you'll see a section that lists what you've been working on recently. Click Recent to quickly find the form or quiz you want to print. This is the fastest way to get back to the exact survey you need without digging through folders or links. Open the survey you want to print. Once the form loads, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. That menu holds the actions that aren't shown on the main toolbar. Click the three dots to open it. From the menu, choose Print Form. This generates a clean, printer-friendly view of your entire form. Before sending anything to the printer, take a moment to scroll through from top to bottom. This preview lets you confirm that all questions, choices, and descriptions appear as expected. Pay special attention to long questions, Likert scales, and images, which can sometimes wrap or shift when laid out for printing. If something doesn't look right, go back, tweak the form content or spacing, and then return to print form again. When you're satisfied with the preview, click Print. Your browser's print dialog will open. Here, choose your destination printer or select Save as PDF if you want a digital copy to share or archive. Adjust the layout to portrait or landscape depending on how your questions fit on the page. If you notice page breaks cutting through content, reduce the scale a bit until everything fits neatly. You can also enable background graphics if your organization uses logos or color blocks and you want them included. Make sure the page range is set to all so you get the complete form in one go. A few quick tips to finish strong. If the output looks cramped, try wider margins or landscape orientation. If it's too spread out, reduce margins or scale slightly. For distribution, saving to PDF keeps the formatting consistent for everyone. And if the form contains sensitive information, review the preview carefully to ensure you're only sharing what's appropriate. That's it. You've opened your form, accessed the More Options menu, generated the print-friendly view, reviewed it, and sent it to print with the right settings for a clean, complete result.